Good morning. I am all alone this morning. I'm missing a family reunion actually right now. Hopefully I can get done and get back in time for that. The whole crew's off and Ed is out shopping. So it's just me. I could have brought the dogs, except for this is kind of a special job where we're going to be running around town trying to find hydraulic hoses. I just didn't think it would be a very good one for the dogs to come on. So yeah, I am flying solo. So the customer's broken down on a trail called Milt's Mile just after the Three Monkeys. So we're gonna drop in this trail about the halfway mark. We're gonna see if we can find this guy and get him somewhere where he can get a hose made, and we'll just take it to that point. All right, this is it. It's what is this? Is this Toyota?
This is a Ford Explorer Sport Track.
Ford Explorer. All right, so this is a Ford Explorer, or it was, and he's broke a hydraulic hose. So we're gonna be running him in. Did you get a hold of somebody?
No, I did
make
not.
those? I think Napa can do them here in Hurricane. If not, we'll have to run to St. George, but we'll figure it out.
I had forgotten there was a nick in one, and I'd been running it for so long that it was never an issue. I have quick disconnect fittings on the upper end of the bulkhead.
Yeah.
So I just unplugged. Now I just have to thread this out, and I'll get a cap ready to cover that.
All right, we got the hose back there. We're gonna head into Napa and see if they can make it. They want 2 hoses, 2 quarts of power steering fluid, and some brake clean. So that should take care of things. Right, we're gonna go do some shopping while he's building those hoses. The rest of the stuff that we need for this. Hey, Spud. Oh, look at you. All right, we're back out here to the dunes. We're just gonna head up a little bit, drop into Milt's Mile right there below the Three Monkeys, get these hoses installed, and get this guy on his way. I don't know if you can see that, but that's not a very wide gap we have to shoot. There's the rock right out there. This is level. I'm shooting with an iPhone. It doesn't have a self-leveling like the GoPros always show. Woohoo! How scary. All right, now we're officially on Milt's Mile Trail. That was the drop in there. We just got to drive up over these rocks to get there. Get to the customer. Oh, I can see them up there waiting for us. Okay, we're gonna get this buttoned up and filled up and started up and checked out. Maybe even something else.
Maybe. Okay, good. Now what I've learned running these is you wrap those with tape, because that when things get bouncing enough, that little collar can pop back, and if it doesn't pop right off, it can just start leaking.
Well, I've got myself in a heck of a situation here. So I just kind of messed around, got myself pinned in here pretty good. Your driver's gonna start climbing right now. You're up. All right. I told you I got myself in a little bit of trouble, but this crew got me out. Look at these guys up there. This is what we just came up. Piece of cake. All right, we've got them on their way, and I just got a call for a Dodge Durango that is high centered out here in Washington near Green Springs area. So I've got Ed and Skeeter meeting us there, and we're gonna see if we can get this done.
All right, so Matt gave me a call today. It's Saturday, and I have to go in my Gladiator, and got Ed here. We're gonna go meet Matt over in Green Springs. So we're at the Maverick here in Washington. What's the weather today, Ed?
Well, cloudy and a little breezy. At least it's cooler, and supposed to rain this evening.
Yeah, we'll meet Matt, and we're gonna go, I guess we got a Durango up there.
You been back up here?
Yeah, I ride my dirt bike up here,
Yeah.
my motorcycle. Yeah, it looks like there's some nice dirt bike trails and mountain bike trails up there, huh?
You have a dirt bike?
It's a dual sport adventure bike. This is where we're at. Washington's over there, and then St. George is over there. So yeah, we're heading up in there. There's a Durango somewhere. Made it. Jumping in with me?
Well, it looks like we're all together. I wonder what it is about this area that makes people want to drive down here. It's a trap. They drive down the sand hill and then they can't get back out.
Yeah, Ed was telling me that there's lots of people who get stuck out here.
There's not a bunch of them.
I broke my tail light this morning. Messing around, doing something I shouldn't be doing.
You're up.
We know not to try to climb this hill anymore.
With the car.
Yeah.
Somebody, once upon a time, ran over the rope while they were being pulled. I don't know who that was.
100 miles an hour.
How you doing? You looking for a car?
Is it down there? Yeah, we'll go get it.
You'll get him out.
There's a silver one.
That's the beer one. Looks like this one did.
Well,
What was it doing down here?
I don't know.
Gotta bring the golden nugget and show him how to do it, Ed. High centered, huh?
Yeah, it looks like just going straight back is the way to do this.
Just kind of wedged up on this rock.
No keys. How you
Hi,
doing?
I'm Jenny.
Jenny, good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
You got the keys for this?
I do.
We're just the ones that stopped by and picked
My
her up.
rescuers, we found them.
All right. Let's fire this thing up. Yeah, it's all-wheel drive. That's helpful. It's not four-wheel drive, but it is something. All right.
I feel so much better already.
All right, so we know we can get out that way, but it's long. But if we can get across this wash right here, I think we can get it up this hill. Nothing's looking super good. We don't have any good options. Yeah, I don't think they did any damage to it. If I hang high right here and run over this, but it's a little bit rough there. It's not like getting speed through there is not really an option. Should we try this way just because it's so much shorter?
Yeah, we'll be fine.
Okay, let's roll a couple rocks.
Yeah, I can roll this big one. Because it doesn't have a lot of clearance.
Yeah, we got it. There's not even
big old scorpions.
there's not even a scorpion
Oh,
under
yeah.
there.
Here, Matt, let me do that. That's what you hired me for.
So
I still got her. You can see plastic on it from other cars.
yeah.
Noises
That
down
works.
there.
Look at that up there.
Ooh, wow, time to go on the Arizona Strip. Flash flood time.
Yeah.
It floods out there really bad. It's probably a good thing we got him out of here because that storm's coming this way.
Talking about flash floods, we rescued a guy a while back that said they don't have flash floods in Illinois. And a lot of people commented they do have flash floods in Illinois. I don't think you know what a flash flood is. A flash flood is when it can be bright and sunny like this. We could be standing here in the sunshine and all of a sudden you'd hear a roar and just sticks breaking and rocks rolling. There would be like a 10-foot wall of debris and water that just comes down here over our heads because there's just a cloud burst upstream. Could be 20 miles up there or 40 miles up there. Anyway, that's what a flash flood is. You don't know they're coming. All right, there it is.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. We got into some stuff. I was climbing the middle monkey and I shouldn't have. Look at this. That's new from there.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
the worst one.
All right, what do you think of that, Ed?
Yeah, we got her out. You had to move a few rocks, but you did it. Thanks for watching.
We're headed into a storm.
Yeah, we got it just in time. Sandstorm.
Yeah.
Got your lights on?
I hope we don't get carried off by a twister.